Hi there, students. A staycation, a noun. This is when you take a holiday at home. You stay at home. Perhaps you go and visit local attractions, but then you spend the night at home. It's a very cheap way of having a holiday. You can also use this word to talk about a holiday when you stay in your home country rather than going abroad as well. Um, I get the feeling though more it's you actually sleep at home, but you go and do day trips to local things that are interesting. Yeah. So a staycation. Have you ever had a staycation? Money's very short this year, and the closest we're going to get to a holiday is a staycation. Yeah. You spend your holiday at home or in your own country, enjoying the leisure activities there. So yes, the Great British staycation is good for the environment because you don't use all of that CO2 jetting off to distant exotic locations. Yeah, effectively it's a holiday where you don't travel away from home. It depends on the definition of home. Yeah, so you either stay at home or you stay close to home. Yeah, I think maybe in British English it's got more of this idea of staying within your own country, going on holiday somewhere in the UK. Okay, so a staycation. Let's see, formality. This is an informal word. I'd probably give it 3.5 informality. Use it in an informal conversation. You might just use it in a semi-formal conversation, but I think no more. And then as to origin, it's one of these portmanteau words where you join two together. To stay and vacation. So a vacation where you stay at home, you don't go anywhere. And this is the idea of a staycation. I think as we've got tough economic times coming, staycations are going to be much more common than they used to be in the past. So a staycation, a good way to enjoy a holiday without breaking the bank. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. A staycation.